London, an ally of British Prime Minister Theresa May, has said income tax will not rise for higher earners, making a new promise to voters less than a week before a national election, with opinion polls showing a narrowing of May and APO's lead. The comments from Defence Minister Michael Fallon in an interview with the Daily Telegraph suggested that the ruling Conservative Party would not increase the top rate of income tax, striking a contrast with main opposition Labour Party. And YOU and APO's v seen our record. We and APO's not in the business of punishing people for getting on. On the contrary, we want people to keep more of their earnings, and Fallon told the newspaper. And the only way they can be sure their taxes WON and APO's rise is to vote Conservative. We already know your tax will go up if you vote Labour on Thursday, and he said. May has left open the possibility of higher income taxes by only promising no increases in value-added tax before Thursday and APO's vote. That marked a break from the Conservative pledge under former Prime Minister David Cameron in a 2015 election campaign not to raise income tax, national insurance contributions or VAT. Earlier this year, May and APO's government was forced into a U-turn when it dropped a plan to increase national insurance contributions on self-employed workers after Conservative lawmakers protested that it broke the 2015 pledge. Finance Minister Philip Hammond has said that promise makes it harder for him to bring down Britain and APO's budget deficit. Labour said FALLON and APO's comments showed the Conservatives were protecting higher earners at the expense of the less well-off. And the mask has finally slipped, and John McDonnell, a lawmaker who would be finance minister if Labour win the election, said in a statement. And the only guarantee the Tories are prepared to give at this election is to big business and high earners. And Labour has said it will raise income taxes on people earning more than £80,000, $103,152 a year, promising no increases for the other 95% of taxpayers. An opinion poll published on Friday showed May and APO's Conservatives lead the opposition Labour Party by 5 percentage points, down sharply from 15 a little more than 2 weeks ago. Other recent polls have also shown that May and APO's lead, which stood at more than 20 points when she called the campaign, has been eaten away, meaning she might no longer win the landslide she had hoped for. May has said she wants a bigger majority in Parliament to strengthen her hand as she goes into negotiations with the rest of the European Union about Britain and APO's exit from the bloc.